Hi theorist, Neil here again with Option Theory, and welcome back to our final cherry bomb of the week. It is May 8th, 2020, and we're going to be putting on a short call vertical today, but we're going to look at some of the reasoning behind it. Alright, so on screen you see something a little different. I've got 4 charts, and you'll see here that we have, over on the top right corner, the Qs. And we have apparently in the cherry bomb the the leader here in the Qs, Tesla here, and we've got SPY and IWM, right? We've got the Russell 2000. If you look at the fact that we've seen this big drop, big drop, big drop, we've all had the big drop, but look how much the Qs have come back. And of course, same thing with Tesla, right? Then you come down and you look at the SPYs and you look at IWM, and you see how it hasn't come back nearly as much as the tech sector has, if you would, right? So with that said, maybe it's time, the fact that it realizes, ooh, maybe I pulled ahead and it's time for me to shrink back to where I belong. So if that's something you can get on board with, we're going to build a trade today in Tesla. And it's going to be a short call vertical. So without further ado, let's head on over to the Analyze tab and build this. We're going to go to Add Simulated Trade. We're in Tesla. We're going to be in the monthlies for June. And we're going to go all the way into the 800s. I believe it is 840 and 845. Let me verify for you in just a moment. Yep, 840, 845. So I'm going to right click in this bid ask area here and choose Analyze Sell Trade. We're going to do vertical. It builds the vertical down below. And it's already the right width, so that's awesome. I'm going to do one contract. Feel free to do whatever contract size you feel is appropriate here. We're going to look at the risk profile. And of course, I'm going to right click. No, not right clicking. I'm going to go to Set Slices, choose Break Even, and set the date properly. That's the big one here, right? Go to the June monthlies, and we can see here our probabilities. That's what I wanted. That's what I was trying to do. All right, so we are at break even, and we see here we're looking at a 64-ish% probability of at least breaking even. You can see slightly different numbers on a cherry bomb email that you would have gotten today. If you haven't subscribed to that, go to the description box below, click on that little bit.ly link there. I don't get anything other than the number of times it's been clicked. You give Tasty Trade your email. All right, and you can see that you have a P50 that is over 75% chance that you're going to be making 50% of the credit for this. And you can see here, we're looking at nearly $170 of credit, right? So, of course, we're going to right-click this, choose Confirm and Send, and take a look at what our maximum profit and our maximum loss is in a trade like this. And if those probabilities of over 75% chance that you're going to make half of this, right, and it sound good to you, then of course in our simulated trading account, feel free to hit send, and I want to do that. That's going to go into my working orders, and I will see if that fills again. So yesterday I would put on a trade on SPYs, and I adjusted it slightly to be a little different than the trade that we built. But if you want to, go ahead, check that video out, and you can see if that's something you want to put on. There's still time for that one too. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I really appreciate your views and your comments and your likes. So if you could hit that like button, that subscribe button, and ring that bell, I'd really appreciate your support. And I'll see you again soon.